In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails to specific subscribers using groups in Mailchimp. This process is an excellent way to tailor your communication and ensure that your message reaches the right people. Let's dive into the steps that will guide you through this process smoothly and efficiently. First and foremost, you'll want to create your email campaign. Log into your Mailchimp account and navigate to the campaign section, which is typically found on the left-hand sidebar. Once you're there, click on the Create Campaign button. You'll be prompted to select the type of campaign you wish to start. For this tutorial, select Email, and if prompted, give your campaign a unique name for easy identification later on. This initial step is crucial as it sets the stage for all your upcoming actions and ensures you are organized from the get-go. Once your campaign is ready, the next move is to choose your audience. In Mailchimp, an audience consists of all your contacts, and you can tailor messages to fill specific needs. After setting up your campaign, go to the Recipients section. Here, you will be asked to choose an audience. Select the audience you'd like to work with, making sure it's the right one for your intended email. This decision plays a critical role because it determines who will potentially see your email. Now, it's time to create a new segment. The segmentation will allow you to filter your audience based on specific criteria, which in this case will focus on groups. Under the Recipients tab, find the option labeled Segment or Tag. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Group or New Segment. When you choose Create New Segment, you will gain access to a variety of filters and options. These filters let you specify the particular group you want to reach, such as those interested in a new product line or subscribers who signed up for a particular event. Good segmentation means effective targeting, and this is a step you don't want to skip. Finally, it's time to select your group. Once you've set the filters for your new segment, you'll see a list of all the groups associated with your audience. Choose the relevant group that you want the email to target. Double-check your selection to make sure it's accurate. This will ensure that your message hits exactly the people you intend it to reach. Selecting the proper group is essential for effective communication and can make or break your campaign. So take a moment to confirm that everything looks right. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to sending emails to specific subscriber groups in Mailchimp. This method greatly enhances your email marketing strategy by allowing you to deliver personalized content to those most likely to engage with it. Thank you for tuning in and happy emailing.